Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. This process is simple, and it allows you to access your spreadsheets from anywhere and collaborate with others in real time. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing into your Google account. Once inside Drive, click the New button in the upper left corner, then select File Upload to choose your Excel file from your computer. You'll see a progress bar as the file uploads, giving you a visual confirmation that it's transferring to the cloud. After the upload is complete, your Excel file will appear with a green icon. Double-click it to open a preview within Google Drive. Now, click Open with Google Sheets. This converts your Excel file into an editable Google Sheets document while preserving your data and formatting. Once converted, you can take advantage of Google Sheets' powerful editing and collaboration features. Use the Share button to invite collaborators, set permissions, and work together in real time. Google Sheets also automatically saves your changes, so you never have to worry about losing your work. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your Excel sheet to Google Drive and made it editable. Enjoy the flexibility and collaborative power this integration provides for your projects and teamwork.